Hi, and welcome to this video from Skills Assessment Australia, the creators of the Assessment Tool Generator, which is provided free to registered training organisations who deliver TAE products. This video is intended for RTO owners and managers and focuses on the strong financial and operational advantages when using the Assessment Tool Generator to deliver Unit TAE ASS 502, Design and Develop Assessment Tools. The Assessment Tool Generator was designed as both a powerful learning aid that trainers can use to demonstrate the performance criterion of Unit TAE ASS 502, that is, in how to design and develop fully compliant assessment tools, but also for your students, who can use the Assessment Tool Generator to streamline the creation of their 3 assessment tools, which, of course, they have to create as part of the assessment in this unit. The beauty here is that there's almost no downside in using the Assessment Tool Generator. Rather, there are some very compelling benefits. And that's because the Assessment Tool Generator costs you nothing to use. We provide a free license to all TAE RTO trainers. But additionally, it will also reduce your assessment costs, and you can even earn a healthy referral fee for every student who buys a student license. So your TAE ASS 502 trainers use the Assessment Tool Generator for free when demonstrating the process of creating tools to your students. And students are very quick to see the benefits in obtaining their own student license, since it cuts through the clutter and guides them through the design process. It also saves them time and resubmission attempts, and it ensures the accuracy of the 3 assessment tools that they create. The student license has a regular price of $75, but if you wish to assist your students in obtaining a discounted license, you can either use our referral program, which offers a 15% discount to the student and a healthy 15% referral commission back to you, or else you can volume purchase student licenses at heavily discounted rates. As you can see, we can add a revenue stream to your program, but we can also reduce your expenses. And that's because Unit TAE ASS 502 is typically the most expensive unit to service within the TAE 40116, Certificate 4 in Training and Assessment, due to the higher average student assessment resubmission rate and the associated assessment expense. In fact, we researched over 1,000 TAE 4 graduates from 2019, and whereas the average resubmission rate across the TAE 4 was 26%, it was a whopping 67% for Unit TAE ASS 502. This means that 2 or 3 extra assessment resubmissions per student may well require 1 to 2 hours to assess, with an approximate assessment cost of $50 to $100. So your TAE ASS 502 student resubmissions alone represent a total expense of $50,000 to $100,000 for every 1,000 TAE 4 students. And that's a staggering amount of unnecessary expense. In addition to that, your delivery of Unit TAE ASS 502 will be strengthened, and your students will have a massively improved learning and assessment experience. It cuts through the clutter. It guides them through the design process. It saves them time and resubmission attempts, and it ensures the accuracy of the 3 assessment tools that they create. And the Assessment Tool Generator focuses on the biggest challenges faced by your TAE ASS 502 students, because our research showed that over 75% of student resubmissions resulted from only 3 causes. Firstly, students incorrectly transferred data between the unit, the assessment plan, and the assessment instruments. Secondly, students selected inappropriate assessment methods or instruments. And lastly, students were unable to transform the assessment tasks into suitable student instructions or assessment scenarios. By addressing these issues, the assessment tool generator reduces the average student assessment resubmission rate, thus lowering your average assessment cost per student, and it simplifies the student learning and assessment experience. It even ensures the authenticity of your students' submitted work by using advanced security features. There are some compelling reasons to use the assessment tool generator today. There's virtually no risk and only massive upside potential, both financially and operationally. If you'd like to know more about the assessment tool generator, please visit the website at www.saa.edu.au. Thanks for watching.